To make healthy body butter and creams at home, you will need a few simple ingredients and some kitchen equipment. This DIY process allows you to create products free from harmful chemicals and tailored to your skin's unique needs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin by gathering your ingredients. Common base ingredients for body butters include shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. For creams, you will also need a liquid oil such as olive, jojoba, or almond oil. Essential oils can be added for fragrance and additional skin benefits. Popular choices are lavender, tea tree, and chamomile. You will also require a double boiler, a hand mixer or stand mixer, a glass bowl, and storage containers. Start with the base butter. Measure out half a cup each of shea butter and coconut oil into the glass bowl for body butter. For a cream, add an additional quarter of a cup of a carrier oil like almond oil. If making a larger batch, increase the quantities proportionately. Place the bowl on top of a double boiler on low heat to melt the ingredients. Once melted, remove the mixture from heat and let it cool slightly. This is the moment to add any essential oils. Generally, 10 to 15 drops should suffice depending on the size of your batch. Stir thoroughly to ensure the oils are evenly distributed. Transfer the bowl to the refrigerator for about an hour or until the mixture begins to solidify but is not completely hard. Using your hand mixer or stand mixer, whip the mixture at medium speed. This process adds air to the mixture, creating a fluffy, spreadable consistency. Whip for about 5 to 10 minutes. The result should be a light, airy body butter or cream. Transfer your whipped mixture to the storage containers. It is best to use glass jars with airtight lids. Label your jars with the date and contents. Store them in a cool, dark place. Homemade body butters and creams typically last for up to 6 months if kept away from heat and light. Always do a patch test before using a new product to ensure there are no allergic reactions. Customizing your homemade body products with different oils and butters allows you to cater to your specific skin needs, whether it's extra hydration, anti-inflammatory properties, or a certain scent. Enjoy the process and the luxury of knowing exactly what you're applying to your skin.